Tropical Thoughts is starting now. Tomorrow, we're going to be live back on 3 News Plus right at 10 a.m. with the latest updates. But this morning, this is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Here's our Tropical Thoughts headlines. So, Tropical Storm Erin is tracking west-northwest, likely avoiding the Gulf. That's still true. We are going to have the East Coast stay alert. Be ready for high surf, dangerous rip currents at a minimum. At a minimum, that's going to be the biggest impact along the East Coast. And then there is a tropical wave that will near the coastal bend on Friday. We're going to talk a lot about that today. This is your Tropical Thoughts update. Good morning, everyone. It is 11:14 a.m. We're a little slow today, but that's okay. Getting everything posted. I'm meteorologist Carly Smith. Thank you again, everyone, for watching. Here's the latest satellite imagery of Erin. So we are looking at Erin right now. Let me pull up. There we go. Now I can see what I'm looking at. Tropical Storm Erin is moving 45, or has winds of 45 miles per hour. It's moving west at 17 miles per hour, and it is now just over 1,300 miles east of the northern Leeward Islands of the Caribbean. So the Caribbean is somewhere we're watching. This is about when it will strengthen into a Category 3 major hurricane, possibly. That would be Sunday. Tuesday. I don't know where I'm getting Tuesday. Heading into Monday, you see it's starting to make the turn to the north. That is what we are anticipating. Latest upper atmospheric guidance shows a strong area of high pressure there near Bermuda, but that is going to weaken. That trough that sets up is going to pull the system north, and that is what will hopefully keep a direct impact to the East Coast away. But high surf, rip currents, those are the number 2 weather-related fatalities when it comes to tropical systems. So, East Coast, you got to stay alert, especially at the beach. Now, here's your overview. We have Erin, and then we have that area over the Gulf. That is what we are going to focus on this morning. This is a tropical wave. You can see the convection around the Yucatan, and it is expected to move into the southwestern Gulf as we head into the rest of this week. So this is Wednesday at 2:30 p.m. We'll continue to see the convection weaken and then strengthen again over the warm Gulf water. This is Thursday at 4 p.m. We have some sea breeze showers possible in the coastal bend, but that's about it. Thursday actually looks really sunny and really hot for us, by the way. This is now Friday, 9:30. We're starting to get high resolution data that's inching closer. This setup is looking good for the coastal bend because it will continue to move a little bit northwest before it starts to curve more west into Mexico and then weaken as we speak. High pressure is going to set up into Sunday, so our chance of rain is going to be quick. It'll be really just Friday and Saturday, and that's about it. Now the system is going to pick up our waves. Now our current risk is still medium to low because our period is not expected to get over 6 feet, or 6 seconds. However, our waves are going to pick up smooth conditions, the flat conditions we've been having, which is making sweet fishing conditions offshore and near the coast. That's going to go away. We're going to have a little bit of a choppier view, but it should still be fairly clear. But what's going to get mixed up is sand, and so we'll have more sand kind of muddying the water just a tad, especially near the beach. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. I told you it was going to be short and sweet. We are going to see our temperatures fall a bit. 30% chance of rain right now. That may go up as the high resolution data comes out and we get more confidence on the exact location that the tropical wave may, the low pressure around that tropical wave may impact us. But again, right now the National Hurricane Center only has us with a low chance of development. That's tropical depression at minimum, right? It's going to be moving pretty quickly, so it's not going to have that much time to brew over the warm waters of the Gulf, and so I don't think it's going to shape up to be much. But it is worth watching, and it is going to give us a chance of rain, and it is going to pick our wave action back up. Now, Friday and Saturday, the highest waves does come with a chance of storms. We'll have to watch out for the lightning risk. That could be the biggest impact here locally, is more lightning and the potential for some tropical downpours. We'll break down this in complete over-the-top analysis tomorrow, 3 News Plus, 10 a.m. So that's going to be Thursday, 10 a.m. I hope you can join then. Thanks for watching. I'm meteorologist Carly Smith. This is your Tropical Thoughts update for Wednesday, August 13th, y'all.